Welcome, guys. We're going to be going over a practice test. This is your Unit 3 practice test for Math 3. So this is going to be covering polynomial functions. You should be watching this if you need some help with anything. And so here's question one. The question says, which function has a remainder of 19 when divided by x plus 2? In this question here, we're talking about remainders. We're talking about using the remainder theorem. So I would not recommend using division or synthetic division or long division because that's going to be a lot of time to work through all this. So use the remainder theorem. And what that is going to tell you to do is take the sign inside of here of this number. This is your divisor. We're going to flip the sign and say -2. Then we're going to just take -2 and plug it in. And then whatever you plug it into, if you get an equation that gives you 19, that's going to be your remainder. So we'll plug in to get 19. So we'll use Desmos for that. We'll just kind of toss that into the calculator. So let's do that. So we want to plug in to get 19. So we're going to do parentheses, -2 squared minus 6 parentheses. Anytime you're plugging something in for x, just put parentheses in place of it and put the number inside of it. So you can see I get 3 there. So that's no good. And so we'll just kind of keep going through that until we get 19. Oops, actually, well, still don't get 19, but make sure you plug in -2, not 2. So we'll do that with the other ones. And as you can see here, my remainder is 3, -3 rather. So you'll keep doing that, and eventually one of those last two should give you the right answer. You should probably pause this one and try to figure it out for yourself, and so you feel good about getting the answer correct yourself. All right, let me get the other two here. Hopefully you've gotten a chance to figure it out ahead of time, since you can pause the video. And as you can see here, I get 19 when I plug it into that third option. So that third option will work. And so show some work. Make sure you plug in 19 and show that work. So that's going to give you, as far as work goes, -2 squared or -4 times -2 plus 7. And that's going to equal 19. And that's what we want to do. All right, that's question number one.